It was a Tuesday. I had sent all the lads home. There was myself, the other director, Max, and his elder brother, who's our head of production, Steve, sitting in the office. Three of us were quite down. We had 63 or 65 jobs cancelled on us within 2 or 3 days. As an industry, it pretty much wiped us overnight. We went from having an unbelievably brilliant business to having nothing. We were building an exhibition stand for somebody, and the material happened to be that 12mm birch ply that our desks are made of. So we had 2 pallets of that in our warehouse, and that was the whole reason why we used it, because it was just readily available to us. It didn't need to be treated or finished. We could literally just cut it out on our CNC machine and wrap it up. That evening we cut out our first desk. As soon as we kind of got it up on Instagram and we started getting feedback on social media, we kind of knew we were on something. We didn't know the scale of it, but we knew that there was definitely going to be something we're a while on first, and something that would definitely keep us busy. Back in the first day, we kind of sold 10, then it was 20, next day 30, then maybe 2 days later 40, 50, 60. Now we're kind of between maybe 80 and 100 sales a day. It was just the right product, the right place, the right time. Strike saved my life. I was taking payments via bank transfer through emails. So like for every order, I might have had 5 or 6 different emails. As soon as we were doing 15 or 20 orders a day, like I was getting upwards of 150, 200 emails. So I decided pretty quickly that wasn't going to work. And obviously we looked to set up an online shop on our website that just made sense. It's just very quick progression and idea.